Hey, it's Emily from WTI. If you're not incorporating essential oils into your life, what are you even doing? There are so many benefits, and I am finding so many uses, and I am loving the sandalwood oil from Pranarom. This is a USDA certified organic oil. It is the Australian sandalwood. The scent is heavenly. Of course, in a diffuser, I love diffusing sandalwood. It has so many properties that are beneficial and help us feel lovely and good. So it's a must-have for your diffuser for sure. But there's so much you can do beyond just diffusing this essential oil. I have found it to be lovely as what we call a scent tent. So you just put a couple drops in your hand and then you can just take big deep breaths in and out. Very relaxing. And it also makes a wonderful addition to your skincare. So there's a lot of beneficial properties for our skin, and I really love putting a little drop in my moisturizer. And did you know that we walk around with one of the best diffusers all the time on our bodies? Our hair. If you put a couple drops in your hands and work it into your hair, you'll be able to enjoy the wonderful scent and benefits of that all day long when your hair moves around your face. Those are just some of my favorite ways to incorporate this really delightful sandalwood essential oil from Pranarom into my life. And I am sure there are many, many more. In fact, another thing I've never tried that I'd really like to get into is like candle making and making my own lip balms. And now I have the perfect thing to try to get into those crafts as well. I love this. I think you're going to love it too, but that's my point of view.